Welcome to Appliance Tech Tutorial. On this video we'll be doing this stuff. Just observe what is happening on the switch. When we push it in, it goes in and it's a closed circuit. When we push it in, it goes out and it's an open circuit. But observe this one, it's already in. When we push it, it doesn't come out. So this one is faulty. The oven for this stove is electrical, so it's using this timer and this selector switch and the thermostat to control the temperature. As in most cases, I'm not the first one, I'm the second one to be called to repair this stove. This stove has this type of a knob which has a spring. This spring holds tight to this shaft. So without this spring, the knob will pop out after some time. The sad story about this stove is that the guy that came before me left a big mess. For example, out of 8 knobs, he took the springs for 6 knobs, left 6 knobs without springs, as you can see. So these knobs were popping out after some time. The buttons for the timer, he break the buttons. So I had to order new buttons for the timer. He did not break the buttons only, he also blew it. As you can see, he blew the timer. So I had to order the new timer. So the push button that you saw that was faulty, we will replace it with this one. This one, when you push it in, it does not go in, so that when you need to push it in again for it to be released. This one, when you push, it's closing. When you release, it's opening. So this one will be the good one, because the button that we are replacing is for a spark module. So we don't want a spark module to spark for a long time. The other thing that was broken here is the selector switch. These pieces that you see are the pieces for the selector switch. So I had to order the selector switch also and the full set of the knobs. Since I have no one to assist with the camera, I'll just fit the switch, put back the front cover and the knobs. Here we go. Now everything is in place. The knobs and the buttons for the timer, they are all in place. If you can see, this is like a push button. When you push, it's closing. When you release, it's opening. These are the buttons that I had to find for the timer. They're not the original buttons. This one is still working as it was before. That one is for the motor that rotates the meat inside. So this stove is having 4 burners on top and 2 electrical plates. The oven is electrical. That was it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something. Please like, share and subscribe.